So what we found over the years of working with different construction companies, fleet companies, that there's a lot of wasted time going to and from a gas station to refuel their units, whether it's diesel, gasoline. Not only the time to and from their business operations to the gas station, we've also found, having conversations with these folks, that there's a lot of wasted time for those employees when they're actually at the gas station as well, right? So they go in, sometimes they're buying lunch for the day, they're talking to various folks within the business there, and what we found is at the end of the day, that's an increased employee expense for those companies that are paying that employee to go in and fuel that piece of equipment. With working with those companies, we've established a way to put a tank on site for those businesses to not only remove the to and from and the time in the station to refuel their equipment, additionally allowing that convenience for on-site fueling at their property, so there's no to and from, there's no time waste at the station. When you look at a fueling transaction, additionally, at a station, you're pumping anywhere between 9 and 12 gallons a minute. So your employee is standing there fueling their pieces of equipment for maybe 20 gallons at 9 to 12 gallons a minute, whereas if we were to put a tank on site, that pump can produce anywhere between 20 and 25 gallons per minute, depending on the pump that we put on it. So you can certainly cut down on your time, your employee costs, which is the main goal behind putting in a on-site tank. Additionally, we can offer fleet fueling services where we come on site and not have a tank. We actually fuel your saddle tanks on your pieces of equipment direct. So what that does is, in addition to removing the time to and from a station, also removes your employees' time to actually fill the tank. So you cut that out of it, you completely remove the employee expense from the fueling transaction.